Why you never tell me say your mother go visit? You know she don't like me.
I'm sorry, my Rose, I forgot. It was unexpected as well because she was supposed to come next week.
Lord God, I mean to she gonna stay here for the whole entire weekend. Did you tell her I'm pregnant?
No, I didn't tell her.
Adios mío.
Mama, you're here.
The Lord in here is very stifling. Doesn't your girlfriend clean the place? Where's my beautiful granddaughter? She's the only reason for this visit. Mio, you looking so thin. Isn't she feeding you? Don't worry, that's why I'm here. I'm going to cook for you and my granddaughter. Alexandra wanted to come, but I told him you were busy. God, a woman you drive me mad, you know. But no, she come here just for drive me mad. Can't deal with this, you know, I just can't. I don't know why I'm invite her for. Mama, up. You know, so I go kill my girl. I go kill him, you know. I go kill him. I'm always do them something, yeah. Always do it. Well, I can't hide in here until she leave. Ah, there she is. Hermosa. Grandma! Look at my beautiful granddaughter. Come, let me get you something proper to eat. You're not till I get a flip. I thought this was just a temporary thing. What, you expect the two of them are gonna live here forever? You can't get her one place?
Yo, ease yourself now. She have my baby, you think me just gonna put her up on the street? Remember say my house this now. If I want them to stay, them I gonna stay. You can't tell me what me I go do. Just stop all your noise and just relax. I'm to you. Yo, feed my son and stop your noise. Damn, money dollar spin because you try to stress me out. Now I'm to you now. Bill, feed the baby. Baby dad? Peekaboo. Oh, you see me? You sit there, miss. Watch my pretty daughter, man. Got you pretty. Don't cry, baby. Daddy here? Yeah, daddy here. Oh, you're so cute. Get the cute, daddy princess.
Daddy princess, even if she had jacket.
Listen, man, you go down to the wholesale and get some more baby formula, alright? Stock up the house with it too, okay? And buy some clothes for her. Some nice, cute clothes. Cause I have to visit my mother soon.
You think me not hear you make that comment about jacket? Jacket underneath your mama, you're bright. Excuse me? I'm not the one who sleep with them family member, man. You want a whore? Whore? Coming on my life? Tell him love this whore. And at night when you asleep, him come upstairs and come sex this whore. You jealous? You sound like you're jealous. Forget about it. I'm not waste my time with you. Look how you pick me away patchy. Don't worry. I'll get rid of her. Don't worry. Alright? Just be me, you, and your daddy.
Cooler kids, unfruit the roofer. Yes, bye-bye. Get the joy.
Honey, why is the baby clothes so dirty? Didn't you wash? The clothes are filthy. My granddaughter can't walk around in those type of filth. Dios mío, I don't know why he doesn't get a maid or something. You obviously can't work by yourself. It's ridiculous. Look at this place, look at the mess.
What's wrong, my amor? Why are you so upset?
Why am I upset? Me I go kill your mother, you know?
My love, don't say things like that. Don't worry, she's only gonna be here for 2 days.
2 days? 2 days seem like a freaking month. Get rid of her, no man, unless me will leave.
Honey, I can't kick out my mother. What is wrong with you? After Sunday, she'll be gone. And it'll just be me, you, and the baby. Just hold out a little bit for me, please. That's all I'm asking.
You owe me big time, remember that. Me I go for a walk. So vulgar. Why is she so vulgar? Told you, you should have married a nice Spanish girl. My God.
Sir, I'm late, Shanti. We'll have to deal with some stuff, Sherry. Why him get biggie, man? No, sir. Look on him. Hey, my grandson. Big man.
Rick, I want to thank you for buying all the baby clothes and the formula and everything. I really appreciate it.
No worry, man. One thing about me, I gotta take care of mine. That's for sure. Boy, him remind me of Richard when he my baby. Big like him too.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, I saw Richard, he look exactly like this.
I tried calling him a couple of times, but he won't answer him phone. Him been avoiding me, and I don't know why. Usually him so nice.
Look you up yourself. Go and go rest.
Thank you so much, Rick.
Grandpa, baby.
What are you doing by your phone? Why didn't you go follow your father to go see your son? What is wrong with you? Richard, I'm getting tired. You do nothing around the house. You haven't been going to school. Why you said this for? You think you're just gonna stay in here and breed up girl and don't do nothing?
Mommy, come off from my case, no, man. Me I go to college. What more you want me for do, eh? You just always have something for say and I load up yourself for no reason.
No reason? Me and your father make it pass when Susie was born, but now you take advantage of the thing.
Take advantage of what? You act like say me alone make baby. Or even know say my baby Shavi.
He's a wicked boy. After everything that little girl has been through with her father, you're really saying that?
Oh, come up from my case, no, man, woman. I want to you. Leave me alone, no, man.
Can't believe you're talking to me like that. I want you out of my house, you know. I want you out of my house. Like you really lost your mind. I don't know who you think you talk to, so. I don't know who you think you talk to, so.
Youth, I want to you. What the hell you going with? If you talk to mommy, son, I want to you, youth. You lose your mind? You lose it, you take crack? You jump off of my case now, youth, I want to you. Wait, what do you think to them can come bad me up now? I mean, just I could take it, bad up. You move like some big waste, man. You're not even gonna look for your pitney. You're not even gonna take care of Susie and you have a son and you're not even gonna look for him. Come off of my case now, man, I want to you. Yo, you really one big waste, man. Look how you go on. Look how you deal with mommy. You know, say you chat too much, you're not supposed to step on my side. Me and you are twin after all. You know, I dip on your side if you're wrong. And you're always wrong. You're a waste man. Bro, go suck yourself in the youth.